Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to make a copy of your website in Hostinger Website Builder. This is the original website called Ben's Test Site, and this one, the duplicate, I call this test.benstestsite.com. So this is the copy, this is the duplicated copy, and this is the original one. As you see, it's 100% the same website in terms of design, unless the address is different. And this, without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to websites. From this page, you will see a list of the available websites on this Hostinger account. And as you see, I have two websites built using Hostinger Website Builder. And the websites that I will use to show you how to copy or duplicate your website in Hostinger Website Builder is this one called benstestsite.com. So how to copy this website? Simply click on these three dots and select duplicate website. A new window pops up. Select to which hosting plan you would like to add a new website. Since I have this single hosting plan, I can select another plan. So click on select plan button. Your website was duplicated successfully. And the duplicated website or the new copy of your website will use this long website address, which is temporary, or yes, this is a temporary address. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger Builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and the integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo Email Marketing, Bluehost Web Hosting, Hostinger Web Hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger Email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. And the duplicated website or the new copy of your website will use this long website address, which is temporary, or yes, this is a temporary address. If you try to visit your duplicated website, of course, you will see this page not found error, because this duplicated website is still in the draft. To publish it, click on edit website. Let's make sure that the website is the same thing. I will copy the original, or okay. I will open, this is the origin, or yes, let's close all of those tabs. Open the same website's page. Here I will click on the duplicated website, and here I will open the original one. And this is the original website that is published, and this is the copied website. It's 100% the same website, unless the address is here. It is still temporary. It uses this temporary domain, and here it uses this .com domain. So how to publish this? Also, the duplicated website is still in the draft. How to publish it? Simply click on this Go Live button. My website or my copied website is updated. Let's view it live. And this is the copied website, and this is the original. It's the same website. A useful tip that I can give you here is that you can, if you are trying to copy your website in order to be safe with updates, you can give this new domain or you can, yes, you can give it a subdomain, for example, test.benz.testsite.com. The original website was called the Benz test site, and this one I will call it test.benztestsite.com. So this subdomain will be, or this copied website will be used as a test copy where I test changes before applying them on the original website. Now let's give this new subdomain a visit, because this is the first time I am using this domain name. DNS probe finished. I think this 3W added here is what causes this error. So how to disable it? Simply click on more, go to general settings, next to use 3W's prefix, disable this option, close this window, and don't forget to update your website. My website is updated again. Click on view site. This time my website does not use the 3Ws, and as you see, the subdomains works fine. This is the test website or the test copy, and this is the original website. And this is how to duplicate, or this is how to copy your website in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.